Revolutionary glass construction makes this versatile, large casserole dish with glass cover safe for oven, microwave, refrigerator, and freezer. Clear glass sides and cover let you monitor baking and serve your creation in style. Includes 1 3-quart glass casserole with glass cover. Lead-free. Securely packaged in shipping box. Always wash prior to use as orders fulfilled by Libbey are shipped directly from manufacturer's warehouse. Stackable, extremely durable, and dishwasher safe for quick, easy cleanup. To help preserve your products, please refer to the Libbey website for care and handling instructions. The Libbey Baker's Basics 3-quart glass casserole with cover is pure, simple, and transparent. Its clear walls allow you to watch from all sides, and the glass cover keeps your cuisine moist and juicy. Use the handles to bring the attractive large round casserole dish right to your table. Celebrate this with glassware from Libbey. If you've ever sipped from a glass, odds are you've already met Libbey. We rank as the top glassware manufacturer in the Americas and one of the largest tableware suppliers in the world. As the runaway leader, we are setting new standards for stability, strength, and growth opportunity. We believe every occasion, big and small, is an opportunity to celebrate life. Top reviews from the United States. Bit of a tight fit in a toaster oven. My toaster oven is a steam convection Cuisinart, and is 12 wide internally. I wanted a Pyrex-type dish that was a tad deeper, for use in it. The dish does fit. Barely. However, getting it in there with the lid on is a real hassle. And trying to get it out when everything is hot. Forget it. However, no prob, as I was only interested in the lid for later storage in the fridge. Use in a full-sized oven should present no difficulties. Haven't had the dish long, but it is solid, heavy, and I expect it will last many years.